Today we're going to do a deeper dive into field requests in the FieldBoss system. Right now we're on the dashboard screen that shows you all your field requests in a more visual way, and you can obviously configure these dashboards into whatever you'd like to see, but here's an example of something that it could look like. We're going to start here where you can have your field request set by priority, and you can see a pie chart of that. Then if you go here, you can see all the field requests by owner. So everyone here would have the field requests that they've requested. So Martin has 9 right now to his name. Here we have our field request by type, and recommendation right now is sitting at 8, quote request at 19. So you can really see the field requests that are coming in and the quantity that it's coming in at. Down here, we have active field requests for the entire organization, and then here would be your personalized active field requests. So moving on from the dashboard, we can see a list of the field request types. This list is configurable, but these are the types that we've chosen to have in our demo just because they're requests that we find clients do often want. So I'm not going to name all of them for you, but just going down the list, we do have a few that I will touch upon. For example, if you go down here to quote request, so after maintenance or service is done and it's found that new parts or equipment are needed, a request for a quote would be created. An example of this would be that after a monthly maintenance appointment, a technician found that a pump is still leaking due to a badly worn pump bearing assembly and a worn impeller. This means that it requires a new Armstrong No. 6 bearing assembly, a rebuilding of the impeller, and 8 hours of labor. This is when he would put in the quote request, and that would go into the office and then get funneled into the sales department. So if you wanted to see how field requests could be filtered, we're going to go into the list view that shows us all of our field request types. And if you wanted to find a particular type, if you were looking, let's say, for all the field requests that are categorized under recommendation, you would go here to type, you click the little down arrow, then you'd hit filter by specific type. And then you can actually search right here. If you were to click recommendation, you hit select, add it, and then all of your recommendation field requests would be popping up right there. This is really great for the back office because if they wanted to look up a specific field request type, they can do so with a click of a button.